Hello, world! I'm here! Whoa! I'm okay! Oh! We started already?
Well. A ball of sunshine. No!
Oh!
Neon green? Yikes.
My bad. I think she went on a break.
Ruby?
Oh, still here, huh?
Ooh. Wearing makeup, I see. Not in my classroom! Oh, man. Makeup is for clowns, silly girl.
No!
Much better. Isn't that right, my sweet good boy?
Hey, I get it!
Wait, is this hair dye? Disgusting filth! Oh no! Kiss those locks goodbye. Out they go. Hope it's not too cold. Poor Ruby. Better her than me. All natural.
Sorry.
Very well.
Boring and white, I guess.
So many distractions.
What's she doing now? Do you… Oh! Hi! That's weird. What the… What's in that bag? More books? Wait, look! Those are colorful stickers! I don't believe it! No, don't! Aw, don't you worry. So boring. But this? Plastic? Ew. But wait, I know! I want to make stickers, and I know just the thing. This may look like medicine, but I don't need it. This, on the other hand, is taking its place. And no, you don't eat these. They're gonna be something way better. Ready? Top them with these, and voila! 3D stickers, baby! Cute! I love them! So squishy, too. Oh, man. Hey, I made these! Wait, what are those? No way! Stickers? Not for me! Okay, whatever.
What is that?
Where'd she go? Bathroom break or something?
Blasphemy! Are those colorful 3D stickers?
Too slow. Shh. Before you say anything about these, maybe you can explain those.
What? Oh no! Well, I'm the teacher!
Got her. Winning. Oh yeah.
This is unbelievable! All because of… her, my sweet angel. What's a few stickers?
Jeez, what's with the wind? I can barely open my eyes. Oh no.
Oh, my supplies! Weather is so irritating! Make it stop! Coming through!
Hey, Teach. What's all that? Is she about to paint something? Oh!
Ugh!
Rough stuff.
Ugh. What are you staring at? Do you mind?
Actually, maybe I can help. Wait a sec. What's in this thing? Oh! Is she starting?
Finally! I just… No!
That's unfortunate. If only she'd take my advice. The solution to this problem isn't that complicated, as long as you have plenty of tape on hand. Ta-da! Let's fill her up. And no, it's not mustard. It's a little paint pack, silly. And it fits right in here. See? A teeny tiny paint set. Let's see here. If I just… Yep.
Ugh! Nothing worse than a windy day. What's that?
Oh, this?
Why is it so tiny? My goodness.
You should probably head inside.
Ooh, goodbye.
At least mine's not blowing away.
Oh, goodness, what's this nonsense?
This is one epic feast.
Feast? This can't be everything. Ugh. Greedy child. She doesn't deserve that.
Ooh.
But I do. I'll show her. See this foam? I mean bread. Pretty convincing. Especially if you're one of my students with their underdeveloped frontal lobes. She'll never see this trick coming. All done. It's showtime. I don't think so. I need her attention fast. And I know just the man for the job. Fly high, friend. Some sugar's about to save the day.
Huh? Is that?
Oh. Yep. Chase the candy. I'm just gonna make a simple swap. Mission accomplished. Oh! What the? This doesn't belong in here. Hold on. Oh no! My beauty!
Gotta love free candy. Followed by a tasty turkey Sammy. Huh? What's with this thing? What?
Ow. Ow.
Weird. What's inside? Looks pretty gooey to me.
Ruby, explain yourself.
What? I don't know. Let me think for a sec. I think I remember. I was talking on the phone. Gabby was telling me the craziest story. The juiciest gossip I've ever heard. I wasn't focused on my sandwich. Which I see now. My bad. That thing was painful, huh? I'd better get out of here. What's next?
Maybe it's not that bad. Nope, worse.
Since she's busy, it's time for a little color. Oh yeah, so good. Huh? Where did you get that? Shh. Oh, my pen doesn't have any sparkles. But yours? It's just perfect. Aw, there it goes. Very nice. I can do that. I deserve to have a little sparkle in my life too, so I'm taking things into my own hands. Can't forget to put the ink back. There, all done. Whoa, this is awesome! Check it out. Math just got way more interesting. See? I have one too. I'm a genius. I know. Look. What? Doesn't she look better this way? More accurate too. Oh, I guess. This isn't gonna end well.
What am I gonna do now?
I feel kinda bad. I think I have an idea. I'd better be quick. Check it out. I've got what I need. Please don't creak, please don't creak. Poor Teach. She's totally devastated. And I can fix that. Just watch and learn. Better. Let's rock and roll, people! Woohoo! All the way! Remember this tape? Just wrap it around like this. And add a heart on top. But we're not quite done yet. Now it's time to add 2 more. See? Can't forget the bejeweled cap.
My young and gorgeous days are over.
Hello?
What do you want? Tell me now.
Nothing. Just a present.
What for?
You stamp it.
Stamp it? Wait, like this? Oh, it's delightful! What a magnificent contraption!
Glad you like it.
Look what I made. In fact, maybe color's not so bad, especially gold.
I love it!
Now just hold on. Color me inspired. I need all hands on deck for this one. Feels nice. I need as many colors as I can fit on these fingers. See why? I've got myself a rainbow butterfly. See? It's about new beginnings.
Wow! Way to go!
For you.
Thank you!
Aw, bring it in.